wanna feel free, and I just wanna be me. Yeah, I just wanna go so crazy. I just wanna be a freak. Yeah, I just wanna rise to the top. Yeah, I just wanna go reach the peak. So I've been really well focused on success. Hey, y'all will see. Yeah, you'll see that I will get it.
Alright. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're downtown in Kearney, Nebraska at the Highway Creepers car show. We have
J-Rod.
We have J-Rod.
I work at Old Town Tattoo.
Okay, okay.
And, we started up the Highway Creepers.
How long?
Over 8 years ago, 9 years ago or so.
And every year you guys have been hosting a car show downtown here on the bricks.
Well, we used to have it at a different location, but now we have it here. For a couple years, COVID, you know, we didn't have a car show one year, so that's why we call it the 8th-ish.
Okay.
And yeah, every year we just raise a bunch of money.
Oh, yeah?
We're doing it for the Tony Turner Scholarship Foundation.
Okay. And is that who you guys are doing it for this year as well?
Yeah, okay. We did it last year, and we decided that's what we're going to do it for now.
How much did you guys raise last year?
$10,001.
Hell yeah.
Just over $10,000.
Man, yeah, you guys come down here at Kearney. Usually about the same time every year?
Yeah, but it's typically the Saturday after 420 every year.
Okay.
But we got bands starting about 2 o'clock, and we'll have bands till they kick us out of here tonight.
Hell yeah.
So,
yeah, guys, come on down. It's a really good cause. A lot of badass cars down here.
There's badass trophies. There's badass raffle items or silent auction items and whatever to buy.
And you guys have a couple different events going on too, as far as the pinstripe panel and
yeah,
stuff
there's
like
a panel jam going on at 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, maybe 2 o'clock.
Okay.
But a panel jam, we got, I think, about 6 different pinstripers.
Okay.
From all over. There's people from all over the country here. We're gonna all paint on the same shit, and we'll raffle that shit off later in the day too.
And the proceeds are going to that foundation.
Yeah, oh yeah,
as well?
yeah.
Hell yeah. That's badass.
This car show doesn't cost us that much to put on.
Right.
There's a little bit, but pretty much everything we get here, I mean, it's all for that cause. So.
Okay. And it's grown since last year that I've noticed as well too. Yeah.
Well, the weather's about 40 degrees warmer today, and I don't know, it's windy, but yeah, 40 degrees and rain, and people still show up for this shit because they want to be a part of it. So
yeah, it's super cool.
Yeah, but we got good weather this year. Decent.
Totally. Minus all the fires that are going on throughout Nebraska,
which is terrible.
Oh, definitely unfortunate. So if you guys are out there and you've had some fire situations go on, big shout out to you guys, and I hope that you guys can recover from it. Just be safe out there. Don't throw those cigarette butts out the window, you know?
Yeah, put it out, put it out.
Hell yeah, guys.
Thank you.
No problem, man.
Mom, this is when a fire comes out.
Lights they flicker and the candles glitter like you're in a thriller. Heart goes pum pum pum. Ghostly figures, they can get so bitter. Show you want to enter, you can turn back now. You don't know where I've been. What's going on inside? Where the monsters like to come alive, come alive. Do you really wanna know me? I'm really not that cozy. It's up to you, so you decide, you decide. Would you love me at my worst till the coffin's in the dirt? Try to break me like a curse, you know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd. I like dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion, but could you love a haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted I'm a haunted house. A haunted house. If you're too scared, get out. A haunted I'm a haunted house. Broken windows and a warning scribbled on my wall saying that you better turn around. Wouldn't be the first to try to burn me down. Your move, you do. Would you love me at my worst till the coffin's in the dirt? Try to break me like a curse, you know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd. I like dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion, but could you love a A haunted, haunted house. Oh, could you love me now? A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you'll just take it out. A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house. Na 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 na. Na na na. Could you love her? A haunted, haunted house. Oh, could you love me now? A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're just taking sides. A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house. Some words till the coffins in the dark. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion. Lights they flicker and the candles glitter like you're in a thriller. Heart goes pum pum pum. Ghostly figures they can get so bitter. Sure you want to enter, you can turn back now. You don't know where I've been. What's going on inside? Where the monsters like to come alive, come alive. Do you really wanna know me? I'm really not that cozy. It's up to you, so you decide, you decide. Could you love me up my words till the coffins in the dirt? Try to break me like a curse, you know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd. I like dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion.
Come back next year. Probably the Saturday after 420 again.
Hell yeah. Ooh, what an edit. Badass car show. If you guys were out there, if you guys brought cars, appreciate it. It was not my event, but I appreciate seeing all the cars that come out to these events, all the different type of rat rods and the stuff that you guys do to them, all the themes and everything. Like that's cool. It's a lot different than what I'm used to as far as like fully fit and finish and polish. But hell yeah, the Highway Creepers 2022 car show that they have downtown. Again, it's the Saturday after 420 from what J-Rod was saying. And it's always a pretty good time. The weather has been all sorts of crazy. We were very fortunate to be able to have the car show. With everything that's going on right now, please guys, be safe. Take care of your vehicles, take care of your families, everything. Just be safe out there. If anybody else is in need or there's something to go on and you can help out, please do. Finally, I appreciate everybody watching and tuning in. It means a lot that you guys stay through the video and that you guys actually check it out. So I do appreciate it. I do now have a Facebook page. We have Instagram, I have TikTok, and of course you are on the YouTube channel. Got some things in the works for here in the future. Hopefully things will continue through with that, but end it here. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys liked, what you didn't like, what you guys want to see. I could use some feedback. It would be awesome. But otherwise, thank you guys. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe. I'm Blake. Thanks for tuning in. 90.91. Peace.